There's hope. There's hope. I think it's mixing. Oh yeah. Hi. This is La Grande Dame. I am a Parisian drag queen, and today we are going to react to some beauty hacks. And from what I saw of it, there is some stuff going on, and we're gonna check that out right now. So this hack, we have a lady that is putting brown shadow on top of her eyebrow and then cleaning it up. That's a lazy people kind of hack. That's something that anybody can use at home if you're not really into makeup. I'm gonna go in, okay? No, I think it can work. And now we are going to wipe the excess. I think if you are on the go, you don't have time to do your full brow, get into the full glam. Boom, 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 wipe, 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 and you're good to go. You got the full brow look. So, next one. We are seeing another beautiful human being using a toothbrush and a sponge and looking gorgeous in the end. How surprising. I think she's mixing cocoa with water, or is it vodka? I mean, cocoa and vodka, it sounds like my breakfast. She's using cocoa. I haven't tried it, so we're gonna do that real soon. And we're back! And today is a cooking show too. I didn't know that. So we are going to make our little mixture of cocoa and water to get the perfect freckles. I'm gonna put a light spoon of cocoa. I'm gonna mix a little bit of water because I love to cook. My mother taught me how to cook. There's hope. There's hope. I think it's mixing. Oh yeah. So, we're gonna make you beautiful. We're gonna make you full of freckles. Are you ready? Oh, that's cute. I'm not surprised. I think it looks beautiful. I just hope it's gonna stay gorgeous. I love it. You look cute, girl. You look gorgeous. I swear to God, you look good. Not that you didn't look good before, but hey, now you got freckles. I did that. That's all I did. I won't be able to be mean to her or to say like shady things because I'm doing the exact same thing every day when I get in drag. She's overlining her lips. This is a great technique if you want to make your lips look fuller and bigger. That's a common thing that is done now. She went a little too far, but again, I can say because I literally drawn my lips under my eyes today and my bottom lip is touching my chin, so I like this one. And hey, who am I to judge? I'm just here to give tips. Up next, the infamous, the gorgeous overlining of the lip. I'm gonna start by the Cupid's bow. You're gonna be fierce. Boom, boom. That's some lip going on. Boom. Oh, it smells good. Smells like vanilla. Very good. Gorgeous lady. That's a drag trick. I'm telling you what to do. Don't do that. All right. Can we go to the next hack? So she's using a pencil and a flat iron. Oh, that's nice. I like that. I like that. I want to try that. That's nice. That's nice. So we are going to try the pencil X flat iron trick hack lifesaver. I don't want to burn you, so don't make me burn you, okay? Moment of truth. All this. So it's still alive. That's a good thing. So it worked. I'm not sure it looks good, but it did work. That's a choice. Look at me. That's quick. Oh, this one's cute. That's cute. Isn't that cute? I like it. So she's using the lash glue actually to glue the hairs of her brush together so that it's very fine and pointy, and then using the brush to do her eyebrows. Usually what I do when I want my brush to be fine, I dip it in my mouth, you know, a little spit never hurt nobody. So that's what I do, and then I wipe it, guys. Not disgusting. I wipe it, and then I brush it for my eyebrows. That's what I do. So there you go. We're gonna try without the glue on the brush. So that's, yeah, kind of a thick. I'm gonna try to do as thin as I can. I'm not sure putting glue in the brush is gonna help in any way, but hey, we're gonna try. So I am putting the lash glue, just as we saw in the video, onto the brush so that it's thick. And now we wait. Nice. It's kind of dirty. There is some white residue on it. I'm not sure how I feel about white residue, but hey, we're gonna see if it works. Yeah, no, that's not really better. That's not good enough for me to ruin all my pencil. That's a no. Bye. Oh no, girl. I can see what's coming. So there is some nail and some bobby pins and some gel. And oh, that's a style. That's another good idea, Rebecca. All right, that's interesting. Artistically, that's something new. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Let me think. Guys, I have a scoop. I'm not testing that. I'm telling you, I'm not testing that at all. I'm gonna leave that to the professionals, to the hackers. So this was quite an interesting video. I didn't think I would learn so much today, so that was a great video.